Now we are going to see addition using complement. This uses the concept of completion of whole. So here you're going to, this concept is based on a 10-point circle. So I'll tell you what is a 10-point circle. We are going to see the numbers which add up to 10. So 1 and 9 will add up to 10. So 1 plus 9 is also 10, 9 plus 1 is also 10. Similarly, 2 plus 8 is also 10, 8 plus 2 is also 10. Similarly, 3 plus 7 is also 10, and 7 plus 3 is also 10. 4 plus 6 is also 10, 6 plus 4 is also 10. So these numbers are called as friend numbers. These numbers are also called as friend numbers. Okay. Now we are going to see some few other examples. Like we are going to consider 7, 8, 9. You see they are closer to 10. 17, 18, 19. It is closer to 20. 27, 28, 29. It is also closer to 30. Next, if you see these numbers, 37, 38, 39, they are closer to 40. 47, 48, 49 are closer to 50, and it goes on. Now, we consider this one example, 87. It is closer to 90 and it is division by 3. So when we try to add two numbers, 87 and 93, don't go for the carryover method. For two numbers, carryover method will be easy. But for more than two numbers, the carryover method becomes a little bit complex. So we have to use the completion of the whole method. So 87 plus 93, if you see, 87 is closer to 90 and is deficient by 3. So in this problem, 87 plus 93, 93 can be split as 90 and 3, and this 3 can be given to this, and this 3 can be given to this 87 and made it as 90. So 90 and 90 will give you 180. Now let us see some few problems. So in this, if you check, okay, so in this, if you check here, 20, the first example, 28 plus 37 plus 43 plus 52. So 30 is, 30 is closer to 28, but 28 is deficient to 30 by 2. Okay, and similarly, 37 is closer to 40 and it is deficient by 3. So what we do here, we have 52 over here, we have 28 over here. So now this from this 52, we take away 2 and give to this 28. So that becomes 30 and this 52 becomes 50. So similarly, from this 43, we take away 3 and give to this 37. So it becomes 40 and this also becomes 40. So the answer becomes 150. So that is 30 plus 50 plus 40 plus 40 becomes 150. Now, next example. So then the next example, 66 plus 25 plus 45 plus 74. If you see this, 66 is closer to 70 and is deficient by 4. And 25 is closer to 30 and is deficient by 5. So 66 and 74. What is the relation between them? Yes, you can take this 4 from 74 and give 4 to the 66 and make it as 70. And this 74 also becomes 70. And this 5 can be taken from 45 and given to this 25, thereby making it as 30 and this 45 as 40. So on the whole, the addition becomes 70 plus 70 plus 30 plus 30. So 30 plus 40 we know is 70 over here. So 70 is written 3 times here. 70 is written as 3 times. 70 3 times is nothing but 200. And I hope it is clear. Now the next problem. 548 plus 632 plus 257 plus 360. Now we take away all the hundreds. It becomes 500 plus 600 plus 200 plus 300. Now write all the other numbers as 48 plus 32 plus 67 plus 63. Now split this 32 as 30 and 2 and 63 as 60 and 3. Now the 2 is given to this 48, thereby making it as 50 and thereby making 32 as 30. Similarly, 3 from 63 will be given to 57, making it as 50 and the remaining becomes 50 over here. So it becomes 50 plus 30 plus 60 plus 60. So this is nothing but 200. So here we have the addition as 1600. How can we add this in a simpler way? 200 and 200 is 500. 500 and 500 will give you 1000. 1000 and 600 will give you 1600. So this becomes 1800. So the next problem. The next problem is 598 plus 292 plus 586 plus 346. So similar to the previous one, you can separate all the hundreds together and write 98 plus 92 plus 86 plus 46. So now this addition will give you 1500. I will tell you how. 200 and 200 will give you 500. Right? So 500 here is 3 times. 3 times 500 is nothing but 1500. Next, from this 92, 2 is given to this 98, thereby making it as 100. And from this 44, 4 is given to 86, thereby making 86 as 90. Therefore, we have the addition 1500 plus 100 plus 90 plus 90 plus 40. So this will give you 220. 220 and 100 will give you 320. So add it with this 1500, we'll get the answer as 1820. Similarly, we have the individual sum 6 plus 5, a series of sums. So how will you add this 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8? Now we know that 6 and 4 will give you 10. 5 and 5 will give you 10. And 3 and 7 will give you 10. So the answer becomes 30. Now try to answer this and put your answer in the comment section. Along with this, I give you another sum. Try to do it and put your answer in the comment section. So try to answer this and put your answer in the comment section. Try to find out the answers for these two questions using the method which we followed earlier and put your answers in the comment section. Thank you.